Want that Stranger Things vibe in your Capcut videos? Let me show you how to get the iconic font in just a few steps. First, you need to download the Stranger Things font. Go to a trusted font website like the Font Free or Font Space. Search for Stranger Things and download the font file like this. Scroll down until you find the download button and then you want to click on it. After it finishes downloading, just open the zip file that you just downloaded. Inside, you're gonna find the Stranger Things file. Click on it and then click on Stranger Things outline. Install this one. Wait for it to install. After that, go back and install the Vignette Bold. And wait for it to install. Once it's added, now go back to Capcut, and when you're going to write a text, just select the Stranger Things font from the font section. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.